अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। बिजली जा चुकी है, बहुत बुरी हालत है, बिजली यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं है। अब ये खाना खाने जा रहा है, चलें शुरू करते हैं। निकल आया क्योंकि बिजली तो बिल्कुल नहीं है, फ़ायदा कोई नहीं है रुकने का। मार्च 5 इवनिंग बिजली नहीं है, तो ये एरिया इस तरह काफ़ी खौफनाक है। This way.
Scary.
Start walking.
Bakong tayo na mautan sa market. Pati mo to. Yung flashlight.
Huh?
Flashlight.
Yeah.
Isa lang flashlight ka. Dugot ako. 4%.
Let's go. Keep walking. There's not a motor, there's a motorcycle. देख सकते कितना अंधेरा है। अगर मैं फ़ोन की फ्लैशलाइट ना इस्तेमाल करूं तो अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है, कुछ नहीं दिख रहा आगे, बिल्कुल अंधेरा है। 1 घंटे का लगभग सफ़र है यहाँ से मार्केट का, देखते हैं। सो इट्स टोटल डार्कनेस। आई एम यूजिंग माई फोन लाइट। इफ आई डोंट यूज माई फोन लाइट देयर इज नथिंग यू कैन सी, सो आई हैव टू यूज माई फोन लाइट टू गाइड। देयर इज अहमद, नूरजाना, हाना एंड नूरसलीन। वी आर ऑल 5 वॉकिंग। तो अभी पता नहीं हम कहाँ हैं, अभी चल चल के थक गए हैं। यहाँ पे एक बत्ती दिखी है लेकिन घर समझे घर तो है नहीं है, बस चले ही जाओ चल ही जाओ। या जस्ट कीप वॉकिंग, नॉट ऑन द मैप, नो नथिंग ऑन द मैप हियर, so the map is empty over here. Just keep walking.
Okay.
So did you?
Kanang supermarket, Jude. Okay.
I told you, Hannah, it's this way. Just keep walking. You know, you don't trust me. The problem is that you
They
don't.
have.
Come now. Listen. Is this?
They have.
Azan?
They have, but the man says, I don't think you can do it by barefoot, he said.
What again?
I don't think if you can do by
Boy walk.
doing, yeah.
Hello, Po. Give me 1 beer. I'm in a mood of beer. Hello, Po. What do you wanna drink? Get some energy.
Small beer?
Who want beer?
Small? No.
You don't want beer? Wait, how about beer?
He's believing me.
Really? I mean root beer. Do you have the root beer?
We don't have root beer.
Okay, then no need. Tell. Oh, this one, no. This alcohol. I'm talking root beer. Oh, it's okay. Root beer, no alcohol. Take it. What you're looking at my face? Tell them, not me. What should we get drink? Hanne?
We shared Gatorade.
Gatorade.
If you don't want Gatorade, then we share Gatorade.
First you decide the drink you want. One Gatorade for both of you? Or alone?
Pagpalit to share.
Okay. And Ahmad? Gatorade? Nurjana? No drink? Okay. Hello, Po. 2 Gatorade. And tell me what you want. Hammi. Look at Nurjana and give me what she wants. How much Gatorade?
40.
40. And
Pwede po dati. Let's see. Ito pa. What else?
and give me also one more Gatorade. You want some chips? Move la. And give me some chips. Do you have some chips? Potato chips.
Piatos.
Hold it. Start drinking.
This one.
This one? How much?
20.
It's a long or what? Anyone want? How many?
Yeah, me too.
No need. Give me 4. Hold it. You don't want drink? Yeah, 4 of this. You don't want drink? Sure? Okay. No drink for you then.
Di pag-inom ka na sa Gatorade. Share bro. Excuse me po ate. Nami makita di sa unahan nga store, kanang dako nga store. Good dili parehan nga tindahan lang.
How much
Kanang
total?
market, may na, or restaurant.
Total how much? 80? 120 plus.
Ha?
250? Okay.
So wala dyan market diha or restaurant, may nga na.
Ngaon mo?
Oo.
Wala man. Sa unahan, layo. May plata
Yes,
na.
500. I give you 50.
Kaya na mo lakwan?
Dili.
Patay.
Kuan gyud.
She said no one you can see any restaurant there. Only store like this.
Have. The restaurant, this is open all night, remember?
Nasa beach. Wala.
With my chain wallet.
University. Na kayo open nga nga oras?
Karon nga burn out. Kuan.
No open stores because it's run out.
Okay, we see what to first check some energy.
Yeah. Ano dyan ah? Tata mo?
100. 85.
Yung sa isa ko, isnitan sa iya ko. Dito kaya ako sa phone.
No drink, no jana. Drink, no?
Kape, drink lang mo ni Ed. Sige na lang.
We will share.
So finally, I'm gonna have some rest and then have some drink, and then after that we keep moving. So let me have some chips. नाज़रीन अभी मैं ड्रिंक लूँगा, चिप्स पीऊँगा, उसके बाद थोड़ा सा मूव ऑन होगा. आने टेक पिक्चर. आने टेक पिक्चर. Come here. टेक पिक्चर.
Camera.
क्या? अभी हम वापस आ गए हैं चल के, कुछ नहीं मिला तो इतना बड़ा सांप देखा रास्ते में तो हमने यही सोचा वापस चले जाए तो अच्छा है. अब इनसे खाने का पता करते हैं. बिजली तो आ गई है इसलिए हम वापस आ गए, खाना मिलता कि नहीं. So finally we come back, we saw a huge snake, maybe a pregnant snake because the speed of the snake was quite low, and then we walked 4 kilometers. Norceline, you walk 4 kilometers. I check on my watch, 4 kilometers. You already walk 4? Yeah. Is there any food? Ask them.
Naan sa available na pagkaon daw?
We are hungry, dying with hunger.
They want canned noodles or something like that.
Can't cook shrimp?
Noodles.
I mean, can't cook shrimp for us?
Makaluto daw mo shrimp.
Can? Ta, come back here. We are back. Ta, we are very hungry. Very hungry, Ta. Hello, Ta. Very hungry. Can make shrimp, right? Shrimp.
Pila daw ko order mo sa lang? Isa lang daw.
Have can cook shrimp?
Yeah.
Cook shrimp and rice. 5 of us.
5 rice and one.
Shrimp. And do you have egg or something? Egg or torta, omelette, egg.
Oh, na po.
Egg rice.
Yeah, yes, we have.
Okay. Also make some egg or egg rice. It's up to you. So torta is gonna cook now.
Rice yun. Oh. Yung 5 rice na
Is that okay? Shrimp, egg rice, and is that okay?
Oh,
And we buy some drinks, okay?
Hindi na cellphone na ka na mo. Charge na. Ha?
Is that okay? नूर जाने और she walk 4 kilometers. नूर जाना खल्लास अय्या नूर जाना no more.